In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android. So if Microsoft Authenticator is not working on your Android, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection as Authenticator needs it to send codes. Also make sure to disable the VPNs. If VPN is enabled, Microsoft Authenticator may not work properly, so make sure to disable it. If this also does not solve the problem, what you can do is simply check the date and time settings. Sometimes an incorrect time can prevent code generation. In that case, what you have to do is access the settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for date and time and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various settings options related with date and time. Right over here, find the option for set time automatically. Make sure this option is toggled on. If this option is toggled on, your Microsoft Authenticator will start working properly. But if still your problem is not fixed, there might be some problem in the application itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try updating the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for Microsoft Authenticator. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Microsoft Authenticator and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, what you have to do is tap on it. After a while, the application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be the problem in the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply restart your phone. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. A simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. After that, your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix the Microsoft Authenticator not working. So that is how you fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.